everybody. Welcome to our 2021 planting training. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to compare different soils. So I've been buying black gold soil for years. It's just been my go-to. It's not inexpensive, but it's affordable. It's the best value I've found for soil, and it's always available. I can always find it. But in the last few years, I've noticed that my plants just aren't growing like they should. They're really just, I put them in and then they stop growing. And some of them even just die. And I'm trying to figure out if it's something that I'm doing differently or if it was the soil. And so what I'm going to do today is compare 4 different potting soils, because I have 4 pots, I have 4 window boxes. Why not compare 4 different types of soil? So I'm gonna do black gold, of course, because I have to have a control. I gotta make sure if it was this soil, then I'll know. We're gonna try Fox Farm Ocean Forest soil. So that one I've never tried before. This I think was the most expensive, but we'll see if it's worth it. It might be, I don't know. G&B Organics potting soil, and then of course some Miracle Grow, just because there it is. Okay, so we're gonna empty out these pots and these boxes completely, put all brand new soil in, and then we're going to plant everything. I am not going to fertilize all summer. I am only comparing the merits of the soil. I don't want to add anything else to it. So the results of this experiment are going to be just the soil, no fertilizer added. We will also label each pot so we remember exactly which soil went into them, obviously. And then we were going to follow up on this in the fall. So this is the Fox Farm, and you're saying it's chunky?
Yeah, just like real compact.
Maybe it's just the bag?
Yeah, I just need it like broken up.
Oh, okay. This is the G&B. There's a lot of organic material in here that's still like solid organics. There's chunks of sawdust, a little bit of perlite. The Fox Farm, I still see a few big chunks, several little chunks, and quite a bit more perlite than the G&B. This is black gold right here. There are some chunks of organic material like wood and stuff, not as much as the other two, but there's quite a bit of perlite as well. And then the Miracle Grow. There's a few big chunks, but mostly it's just smooth soil. I'm not sure entirely what these are. It's probably the fertilizer. It'll make your plants grow big, all that stuff. Okay guys, so we have awesome hot pink geraniums. We have Cleome. We have Angelonia. I'm trying Lantana this year, because I actually found it in 4-inch pots. That was so exciting. Got several things I haven't tried before. My Pentas is wilting. I'm guessing it's so root bound that it isn't staying moist, so those need to get planted today. We have Verbena, which is my old mainstay. This is the potato vine I found this year, which is just so cool. This is Guara or Gaura, I actually don't know how to pronounce it. Whirling butterfly is the common name. And then some more Lantana there. A couple other odds and ends that I've never planted before. I believe this one's the Nemesia. Yeah, Nemesia. Some Alyssum. This is new for me. Variegata Setcrasia. Crasia pallida. Sure, I don't know what it is. That's why we're trying something new. And then this one is Lismachia. So those should look really cool all together. We got my spikes, and then this is also something I liked that I've never used before. Diacia. Okay, cool. Oh, and I've got these again. These little caterpillar-looking things. Chenille Acalifa pendula. Okay, so let's plan out our pots and get planting, huh?
There's a quick after of all the pots. Try to ignore all the weeds in this corner. I haven't weeded this bed yet. We have geranium, pentas, diacia, and a really cool variegated potato vine with a spike. This pot on the end has G&B. So this one is the G&B brand potting soil. Now this pot tends to get the most shade. This is under my cherry tree. So it's the only part of my yard that has shade. All my shade plants are over here. The next pot right here by the steps. Same arrangement. There's a spike, but you can't see it because of the other grass. But geranium, pentas, diacia, and potato vine. And this is the MG, Miracle Grow. This is the Miracle Grow pot. I anticipate that that one's gonna grow like crazy because that's what Miracle Grow does. Okay, this one on the other side of the steps is the BG Black Gold. This one's Black Gold. Again, same arrangement, but this one, the pentas, is suffering. That was like that when we put it in. But this is the FF, that's the Fox Farm. Okay, then up in the window boxes, on the far left, we have G&B. Okay, it's a few days after it was put in. Again, this pentas isn't doing very well. And neither is this one in the next pot. This is the Fox Farm. This one, the next one up, is Miracle Grow. And everything's looking good so far. And then this is the Black Gold on the far end. So that's the before of everything. We will follow up come fall and see which did the best.
Thanks for watching that video. I hope you learned something new, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up. And thank you to my employees for joining me for this and letting me film them. I'll see you in the garden.